With up to 15% of energy within raw materials not utilized by the animals, the efficient utilization of key nutrients is essential for profitable and sustainable animal protein production. DiNamic, our dietary energy optimizer, does just that. DiNamic maximizes the energy payload for the animal. The DiNamic range includes a product with a unique formulation, maximizing absorption of energy and other nutrients as the fat globules pass along the small intestine. Using a 3-step process, the first stage is the breaking down of the large fat globules repeatedly into smaller pieces by an initial targeted surfactant. The lysophospholipid within DiNamic then bond to the new monoglycerides. A second co-surfactant fills any gaps, generating a secure micelle that is easier for the animals to absorb. As the micelle passes through the bilayer within the villi, some of the water-soluble membranes combine with the bilayer, freeing the fat to pass through where it can be absorbed and used for growth. The soft fats, with their kinked chemical structure, are much easier for lipases to attack and thus to secure into solid micelles. Enzymes in the gut are able to break these triglycerides down, and as this happens, the lysophospholipids bond with the fat micelles to make them more easily absorbed than individual fat globules. Whether hard or soft fat, the more often this interaction happens, the more porous the bilayer becomes, speeding up the absorption process for fat and other nutrients. This leads to the creation and activation of protein channels, accelerating the absorption of other nutrients across the membrane and into the bloodstream. Together, these nutrients form the building blocks of protein production. Wherever you are in the world and whatever your fat source, Devenish's DiNamic range maximizes energy utilization for faster growth. For more information on how DiNamic can supercharge your livestock business, talk to your Devenish representative.